All right, more news break filters in. LJP Chirag Paswan continues to attack Nitish. Once again, taking a swipe, a jibe at Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, claiming that Chief Minister Nitish will ditch BJP to join RJD after the poll results. All of this when just within 48 hours, and I'll bring in Ankit into this conversation. Ankit, when he said that if after the elections, if he's a part of the power sharing, he'll throw Nitish into jail. Now saying that Nitish will join the RJD once the results are out.
You know, it's gotten very personal between Chirag Paswan, JDU and Nitish Kumar because the kind of attacks that Chirag Paswan has been, in fact, opening on Nitish Kumar, and the way the JDU reacted yesterday, from throwing him into jail. Now, once again, you see, there are two problems that Nitish Kumar is facing. Any analyst who is talking about Bihar, there is one thing that everybody agrees on: massive anti-incumbency against Nitish Kumar, and that has also been propelled by his Paltu Ram image. So Nitish Kumar is being seen as somebody who can't be trusted, who could switch either way. And that is why there are a lot of voters, with Chirag Paswan once again, in fact, talking about Nitish Kumar could go to the RJD. Look what Chirag Paswan's entire game is and what is at stake for him. Most of his candidates, in fact, on all JDU seats, he has put up candidates. Many of them are BJP rebels. So he wants to make sure that he dents JDU as much as he can. That also comes from the hope that the BJP will have a fantastic strike rate and possibly would be able to convert the 110 seats that they are fighting with a strike rate of about 80 to 85%. And if Chirag Paswan, with the help of certain BJP rebels, is able to win about 8 to 10 seats for the LJP, then he would be in the game, with JDU coming down to as least as possible. But you know, all these presumptions, Preeti, today is the day when the voters are actually going to put their finger to that button and possibly are going to decide. But for Chirag Paswan, it's a last push to ensure that he does the maximum damage to the JDU and possibly increases chances of a few of his candidates, strong BJP, RSS background candidates, in few seats where LJP feels that they have a chance.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.